It's important to have a good clean tape line when you're doing a bottom job for have a nice clean line for separation of the boot stripe in the bottom to just have it look nice and crisp. I'm going ahead and I'm striking a line right now. Hi, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Troy, the Seahawk Boat Doctor. Today I've just got a regular bottom job going on this 33-foot Pearson. Just taped and had a nice clean tape line. Ran my thumb across it all the way down so the tape won't lift up when we're applying paint. We're using Seahawk BIOCOP today, which is great stuff. It's one of my favorite choices. 40% copper, roll over ablative or any hard paint. So I'm just putting some paint in my tray here and getting ready to go. I'm moving some stand spots, as you can see, some cardboard on the hull with the paint that I applied earlier, and I'm going to scratch this up and put a couple coats on. Got one coat on there, let that dry for a few minutes, and I'll be back to put some more spice on it. There it is, folks. That's how we do stand spots here at Seahawk Boat Works. Pretty self-explanatory, easy cheesy. Thanks for stopping in.